This is Garrett and Keith, and I'm going to be eating mixed, low-fat, disgusting, expired yogurt with just peanut butter. I've never done this, and I have no idea what it's going to taste like. Maybe good, maybe bad. Let's watch. Oh, dude. July 6, 2008. Dude. Oh. It's brown.
It looks nasty. Got a little bit more peanut butter in that. Oh. Dude, that looks so nasty.
Ew.
What?
That's disgusting. It has brown chunks in
Are
it.
you just gonna eat all of it or one bite?
I don't know. It depends on how terrible it is.
What if it's really good?
And all you love it. You gotta mix it up until it's evenly spent. Ew.
This is aged yogurt.
Aged.
And it's a white and fit.
Ew. Look at that. Look at that, people. Look at that. Okay, pull back so you can see my face.
Come on. The yogurt doesn't taste bad either. Is it that bad?
It's expired. A year ago.
The yogurt still good.
Expired a year ago. I just bit a crunch. That's all I can take. Remember, don't try this. That's actually kind of good, but not mixed with all that.